Welcome back. In this video, I explain how you can buy a tip and review your instructions on the orders page. Bear in mind that this session introduces a buy order in a traditional sense. The short selling piece will come in a later video. I will show you orphan trades and how we can accommodate small orders using partial portfolios, which is useful in markets with large board lots. To buy a tip, you can click on the buy button, which appears in several places in the app. You can enter the amount you want to buy in terms of margin or notional. The moment you begin to type an amount, you will see the minimum order size. Your amount will not be accepted if it's less than the minimum order size or greater than your buying power, both of which you can review here under Trading Limits. I can view a breakdown of my order by clicking here. This shows me the margin, notional, and margin ratio of my order and its stock breakdown. All orders are specified in terms of shares, so until they are filled, the margin and notional are only estimates. I can review and place my order by clicking here. If the market is open, the order is executed immediately. Otherwise, it is queued until the next market open. And that's it. I've just submitted an order to buy a whole portfolio of stocks related to an investment idea. Each order has its own unique ID for easy tracking, which I can see on the orders page. Let's go take a look. Orders pending execution are shown at the top. Here's the one I just submitted. Orders that have completed are moved below. I can expand any order to see the status of the individual stocks. I can cancel an order at any time as long as it was submitted outside of market hours. Just click on Cancel Order. Let's now spend some time on orphan trades. Sometimes when you place a tip order, one or more of its constituents may not be filled at the end of the day due to a suspension in the exchange. For example, I put in a buy order for Big Data US. When I go to my orders page, I can see that the majority of the portfolio have been executed under completed. But you will also see on top that there are expired orders. Let's expand on Big Data US. We can see that there are 3 constituents that could not be filled. So if I click on Manage Order button, we now have a choice to either do nothing, to place the order again, or to simply cancel them altogether. Let's place the order again for all 3 constituents. If these constituents are no longer suspended, the order will be filled like the rest of the portfolio. Before we finish, I would like to show you another great feature. Some markets, like Singapore and Hong Kong, have such high board lot sizes that the minimum order size for a portfolio can be excessively large, like this one here. In such cases, we use an optimization engine that allows you to trade a much smaller portfolio. See here. Depending on your order amount, we will change the weights of some stocks, even remove some stocks altogether to create a partial portfolio. Although partial portfolios have much lower minimum order sizes, their performance may not always track the portfolio exactly. In the next video, we'll talk about how we can monitor the performance of your tips and how to close your open positions.